the most exclusive launch in Sector 150. Sector 150 has already given us iconic projects, but today I'm standing at what becomes the most exclusive residential address in the entire sector. Only 442 apartments in 12 acres of land and 2 apartments per floor. Every apartment comes with 2 private lifts and 1 service lift, which means in total you will get 5 lifts each floor and views that probably no other projects in Noida can offer. But it is just another luxury project gimmick, or it's actually worth your investment. Let's find out. Before we discuss more about this project, I am at the land of Prateek Group, and let me show you how this land gonna look like from the upside. Let me give you not 1 or 2 but 5 good reasons to consider this project. First, the land area is 12 acres. In 12 acres, you are getting only 442 apartments. This is ultra low density, not even 40 apartments per acre. You won't get this much low density project anywhere else in Noida. Second, you're getting only 2 apartments per floor with 5 lifts. I have seen projects where developer is providing 2 apartments per floor. It's not a new thing, but they are giving only 3 lifts. But here you are getting 5 lifts. So every apartment comes with 2 private lifts, 1 service lift. Second, the positioning of the tower is planned in such a way that every resident will get 360 view. So one side you can see the Yamuna view. Second side you will see the stadium, the cricket stadium. Third side you will get the view of sport complex that will be built by Prateek Group. So this is something hard to find in this sector now. Third point is you will get ceiling to ceiling 11 feet height. And here if I talk about the floor height, so this is stilt plus 32. And this project comes with 2 sizes, 3 BHK plus servant, 2800 to 2900 square feet, and 4 BHK plus servant, 3800 to 3900 square feet, and limited signature penthouses. In this project, your apartment comes with VRV air conditioning, premium marble flooring, premium wooden flooring, Toto sanitary fitting, and uninterrupted Yamuna view. So the third point is the connectivity, because connectivity plays a very important role in real estate. So this sector connects you to 3 major expressways. From here, you can reach South Delhi in 20 minutes, IJ Airport in 45 minutes, Noida International Airport in 30 minutes, and because of Yamuna Pusta corridor, you will be able to reach Kalandi Kunj from here in just 25 minutes. Apart from this, you have Noida Expressway connectivity, which connects you easily to Delhi, to Jewar Airport, to Central Noida. So this is something rare to find in Noida. The connectivity itself, a big green flag for you. Fourth point is, why Sector 150? Because Sector 150 is the only sector which is 70% greener. So you will see construction in 30% of the area, 70% will remain green. This sector was planned as a sports sector. So now that is going to happen. That is the reason all the big developers are coming to this sector. You will find this sector greener, loaded with sports amenities and less crowded. Fifth and the most important point why you should consider this project and why you should consider Sector 150 is all the A-grade developers, all the big developers are coming to Noida Expressway, and majorly they are coming to Sector 150. And I can clearly see after 5 years, all the big CXOs, CEOs, founder of unicorn companies will stay here. So the future of Sector 150 is brighter. The most important question, launch price. So the expected launch price will be 20,000 rupees per square feet, but you can secure exclusive price just for you by clicking on this link, and you can generate your EOI. Whenever we discuss any good Noida sector, a good park plays a very major role. In this sector, you already have a 42 acres biodiversity park named Shahid Bhagat Singh Park. And if I talk about commercials, so this sector has already good commercials available which can easily fulfill your daily needs. And in coming 5 years, more and more commercials are already planned for this sector. Honestly, my purpose of making this video is not to sell you anything, but to educate you about the new projects, development in the sector, and I'm sure this information will help you to choose the right project for yourself and grow your money smarter. To know more about this project, you can comment Prateek or call me on the given number and my team will share all the details with you. This is your host Jaswinder Singhal. See you in the next video.